the video for today, I'm going to show you how to share your Android phone's live location on Google Maps with friends and family members while you are traveling. And apart from that, I'm also going to show you how to disable that option so that your live location is not going to be tracked anymore. So I'm going to show you how to do this on an Android 15 device, but if you have an older version of Android, not a problem. You could also watch the video through because this is going to work for you also. So the first thing is get hold of your Android device, open Google Chrome or Firefox and do a search for Find Hub or Find My Device or whatever it is. You see the second option, the application notification. Click on that. You get directed to Google Play. If Find Hub is not installed on your phone, install it and then open the application. After you log in, you're going to see an interface like this. Here you see two options to the bottom, devices and people. So basically under devices, you're going to see all the devices that is linked to this email address in this account. Select the second option out here for people and then click on new share. Once you do that, you get a pop-up like this and you get an option to share your live location for 1 hour, today only until you turn this off, or you could even customize the duration. So let's say you want to share your live location for 1 hour. The next thing is to select the contact that you want to share your live location with. If the contact is in your contact list, search for the contact out here and share the live location. So say supposing I want to share it with this person. Checkbox that and click on share. Your live location is going to be shared with this contact only. Okay. But if you want to share your live location for an hour with a person who is not in your contact list, what you could do is just click on the share link option. You get a share link out here. You copy the share link and share it with that person via SMS or WhatsApp or whatever it is. And once you share your live location with a contact, you could see that contact information out here. If you stop sharing your live location with this person, just long press and then you get onto this page. Click on stop sharing your location. You get a pop-up, click on OK. That's it. Your location is not shared anymore with this person, even if they have that link. So this option from Google Find Hub is a fantastic one because it is actually a security feature that you could utilize to keep yourself safe, or you could help keep your daughter or your son or your wife or your friends safe by telling them to share their live location with you. I hope this advice was good and you got some value through my video for today. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.